What's up guys? I'm back with another video. In this video I will tell you what are excavators, loaders, dumpers, compactors, graders. 5 things we'll cover in this topic. Guys, जो लोग experience वाले हैं they don't care much because they already know what are these. But these 5 things are very important at every construction site. ठीक है ना? As I told you earlier that I've created this channel just to help out civil engineer freshers. देखना क्योंकि हम कॉलेज से पास आउट हुए, वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट साइट पे होता है क्या है, साइट की नॉलेज क्या होती है, सारी बुक की नॉलेज होती है उस टाइम हमारे पास. वी डोंट इवन नो व्हाट आर 35mm 50mm कवर्स, बट हमको ये पता होता है कि माइनस करना होता है. जब भी पूरी लेंथ निकालते हैं तो हम माइनस कर देते हैं. चलो 50mm 35mm कवर्स जो होते हैं उनके बारे में बाद में वीडियो डाल दूंगा. अभी के लिए ये 5 चीज़ें कवर होनी है. तो पहले ये चीज़ देखिए, excavator, then loader, then dumper, compactor, last grader. All the stuff are clicked by me. ठीक है ना? तो देखो, check it out. Now loader, check it out. Completed. What next? Don't know? Dumpers. Check it out. Completed. Now check it out. Compactors. Mainly used to compact soil, gravel soil, whatever it is. Compactors. Last but not the least, it's graders. Graders are the construction machines with long blade, which is mainly used to flat the surface during grading process. ठीक है?